Hello gorgeousas! It's Livelovelande unboxing. So, if you want to know kung anong bubuksan natin today, then keep on watching. Hello gorgeousas! In today's video, we will be unboxing... Ano ba yung unbox natin? Gorgeousas, in today's video, i-unbox natin ang mga gears na kailangan natin to be protected and to be safe when we go back to our work or kapag tayo ay kailangan na talagang lumabas ng mas madalas. Because, as we all know, this is becoming the new normal and we have to be ready, we have to be protected, and we have to be safe. So, buksan natin ang mga na-gather around ko, mga gears. So let's begin with the mask. Na-share ko na sa inyo yung black mask na tinry ko last time. So now, I got a new one, which is perfect for my outfit. Pink, pink, pink. So yeah. So I got this from designer at here. Designer Collab. So this is a designer collab. This is from Designer Collab Philippines. You can check their Facebook page, Instagram, or you can either message Gorgeousas Makeup Studio if you want to order with this because authorized reseller na ang Gorgeousas Makeup Studio. So,
Hindi yan nabanggit ang Nieto
maganda
Beauty.
sa kanya is 3-ply, may channeling na ganyan. So, ayan, very makapal talaga siya. So, this is a good for work since exposed ka to many kinds of people. So yeah. So let me show you with this. Pwede siyang ganyan. So depende sa laki ng face mo. Pwede mo din iganto kapag look at that. Yan, pwede mo iganyan. Or pwede mo namang isukbit lang sa tenga mo. And if you have big face or medyo alam mo na, you can actually pwede mo siyang i-adjust based on sa kayang i-consume ng face mo. So, yan. Pwede pa natin i-adjust. Yan. So, it's adjustable. Trifold. Yan. I'll send the link down below. And some informations about this kind of face mask right here. Ta-da! Our next na i-unbox is from LVI Home. So, it says here, "Hi sis, I hope that this face shield oil splash mask will keep you protected. Period. Stay safe and God bless. Period. Miss you. ... Till our next landian." From Love, Emma, LVI Home. So this is at LVI Home. So on their Instagram, available siya. I-unbox na natin. So meron siyang may ganito. So ito yung nakalagay sa ganito eh. Yan. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. And then meron kasamang acetate. So ito yung acetate. Baka meron pa siyang ganito. Tatanggalin na ba natin? So I'll show you. Tatanggalin natin yung... Sorry for my hand. Alam mo yung pinutol na yung kuko, hindi na ganun kaganda yung kamay ko. Alam niyo naman, parang luya yung kamay. Teka, wala yung makuha ng daliri ng kuko ko. So ayan, so you just have to peel it off para ma-reveal ang clear na acetate. So itry na natin. Paano ba natin ito isasalpak? Buksan nyo lang wait. So, i-clip mo lang siya from here. Ayan, I hope you can see it. Clip, okay, done. Make sure your hands are sanitized. Clean. Done. Ayan, let's see. Oh, this is nice. Nice. So it's, the good thing about this is you can use this, you can wear this one while you're eating, or pwedeng habang nagpa-prepare ka ng onions, pa nagluluto ka, or pa nagpa-fry ka din ng mga chicharon or bangus. Ano ba yung mga matatalsik? So you can use this one inside your house or inside your home and even outside your home. So magaan siya. Yan. Pwede na rin itong gamitin pag may makeup. Yan. Pretty. Kita yung face. Kita yung ganda ng mukha natin. So this is from LVI. Yan. So tatanggalin mo lang kapag tinabi mo na siya. For the meantime, I'll just put it here. And then I've already shown you yung face shield from Goddess Goodies. Ayan. So this is a bigger one. Nagamit ko na siyang once, so I'll just keep it in a plastic after. So, ayan. Ito naman siya. From here, meron ditong, ang tawag dito, may holder, tapos may garter sa dulo. Ang ano naman sa kanya is na-move, ganyan. Kailangan mo lang tight dito. Ayan. So talagang, pwede sombrero. Pwede sombrero. Ayan. Pwede na siyang sombrero, ganyan. Kapag mainit. As if hindi naman natatama, hindi nag-go through yung sun. So ano siya? It's more of protection from your own droplets. So yan. Kailangan protected yung mga taong nasa paligid mo. So, you can just clean this one. I usually clean my yung ganito. Asa na may panglinis ko? I'm using yung panglinis sa salamin. So yun ang inaano ko sa kanya. But after use, what I do is I just soak. As in, sinusoak ko sila sa alcohol or sanitizers, disinfectant, and then diretso ko dun sa aking UV sterilizer. So, para ma-sterilize din siya. So, for now, I'll just put it here. And then, our next unboxing is from sariling sound effect. I have here from, I ordered the Designer Protective Wear Edition. So, this is an isolation gown from Sandra Lim Designs. So, this is a custom-made dahil sa we are livelovelande. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Livelovelande. So, I will be sharing soon kung anong itsura nito, aking isolation gown. So, I'm planning to use this one in the coming days kapag mas crowded, mas maraming tao, or mas madaming number of heads na gagawin, at depende din sa location. Kapag unsafe ang location, I will be using this. So, I actually ordered 2. Oh, it comes with, may kasama siyang mask. So, tandem. So, watch out for this one. I-aura natin to. Iti-test natin kung how it's gonna look like. So, may mga sizes to. My size is medium. So, and then I got one for, I also got another one for Gorgeousas Makeup Studio. Nice, no? Merong customization. And, what else do we have? Oh, may kasama din siyang mask. That's so nice. And wait, there's more from Collab Philippines. Okay, so they have here the combo. This is my favorite color, white. So, ang nice, no? Parang nowadays, you can be fashionable, you can look stunning, fabulous, and gorgeous kahit na naka-protective gears ka. So, this is really nice. Meron siyang kasamang acetate. This is cool. So, yan. Well, yan. Ang ganda. Sobrang. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. It's perfect. So, ang ganda ng fabric. And then, may string na rin siya. Ganun din, adjustable. So, depende sa gagamit, which is really cool. And then, meron din siyang acetate na kasama. Yan. Para covered, fully covered. So, I think this is really best to use kapag outdoors ang mga eksenahan natin. We have to really be safe. And meron na rin kasamang instruction on how to use them. So, ayan. You can just follow us on Facebook page Designers Collab Philippines or Instagram Designers Collab. So, yan. May mga instruction na rin sila. And, mga how to wear. So, yan. So, ang alam ko with this is, if you buy like a certain amount, a certain number of masks, you get also to donate a piece of mask to communities in need. Yun naman yung maganda talaga. Hindi lang sa ikaw ang nakinabang, nakatulong ka na sa kanila by supporting buying locally made products. At the same time, sila din tumutulong din sa ibang communities. So yan. I think it's really a must that we patronize locally made products kasi it's helping our economy. Tama? So yan. So we're done now with our unboxing and I hope may napulot kayo dito. If you want to check out more of these items that I unboxed, you can check out the link down below and then you can just contact them directly. So I hope you guys stay safe, stay sane, and stay healthy and gorgeous. Bye! Hello, gorgeousas! Kamusta kayo dyan? Kamusta? Sana okay lang kayo. So ako okay naman ako. I'm still looking fab and gorgeous. I just finished my photo shoot today. So, kaya ayan. I decided to finally unbox itong mga protective gears na nag-gather ko in the past few days. So kung interesado kayo malaman kung ano yung i-unbox ko, then join me. Confident na naman. GGS naman, GGS eh. Misa lang kasi. Okay, I need to go back to work. Bye! Ito yung ganda na ayaw mo talagang buray. Pwede lang. Pwede lang forever na ganito. Kaganda. Okay, it's time to take this off. Oh my God! Ganito pala. Ganito siya. Ang ganda. Oo. Diba? I love. Cheers. Thank you, Sandra. Thank you. It's live, love, Lande.